So I have 3 closets, 2 drawers, and 5 cabinets worth of stuff in my trunk right here, and I'm about to donate it to my local thrift store. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Declutter and Donate video. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and I'm at my local Goodwill today because they have limited hours and staff for curbside donations. So I'm about to donate everything here in my trunk that I have decluttered through my entire project. I will have the playlist linked above in case you missed the videos. So before I show you everything I'm going to donate, let me show you the area of my house that I decluttered today. Today I'm going to be decluttering in my kitchen, and I'm going to break it up into 3 different days to make it a little bit more manageable and less overwhelming. Today's video is part 1 of the kitchen, and I decided to declutter 5 cabinets. And here is a general overview of the cabinets that I will be working on today. Mostly I need to just get in here and organize and rearrange a little bit of things. And I'm going to start with the cabinet that's right above my fridge, as well as the 2 main cabinets beside it, and also the cabinets that are right underneath the countertop here. So the cabinets aren't too overly cluttered. As you can see, this is kind of what I'm working with. They just need to be organized a little bit better, and I do know there are some things in here that I can definitely get rid of. So I'm going to start the project by taking everything out of all of the cabinets. I'm going to wipe down all of the shelves and cabinets, and then I'm going to separate everything into piles. So here is everything that was inside of the cabinets. I have it here on my kitchen island so I can go through everything and figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. So all of the cabinets have been wiped down, and I'm going to start putting things that I don't use that often on the highest shelves, and then I'm going to work my way down and put all of the things that I use most frequently in the middle where I have easy access to them. So I did reorganize these drawers right here last year, and amazingly they have stayed pretty clean, so I won't need to organize these in my kitchen project, so that's good. So here is everything that I put to the side that I plan to donate later today. I have an extra blender that I never use. I also have some small saucers and some extra water bottles. I also have some coffee mugs and some random glasses, as well as a few large serving bowls and a couple of extra trivets. Here are a few items that got stuffed into my cabinets that need to be put away into a better spot until I can use them again. I have my dining room table centerpiece and all of my dining room placemats that I really can't use right now because my husband is working from home. And here is what my table currently looks like. So I decided to store all of the items in my pantry on a top shelf that I wasn't using until I can bring them out and use them again. After I did that, I put everything that I decided to keep back into my cabinets. They have been organized, and here is what they look like now. In the cabinet above the refrigerator, I have a couple of steamers that I use a few times a year, as well as an extra Ninja blender that I only use every now and then. And then in the other cabinet beside it, I have all of my Corelle dishware on the top shelf, as well as a couple of vases. In the middle, I have most of my glassware items. This doesn't include the things that are currently in my dishwasher, so I will have to add more to this. And then on the bottom, I have all of my plates. Now I'm going to show you what the bottom cabinet that's right underneath the countertop looks like. So in this cabinet, I have my Instapot, I have my crock pot, I have my vegetable spiralizer, and then I have a few accessories on the top shelf. I use these things most often, and I like that they're easily accessible and I don't have to dig through things to get them out. So I'm really happy with how this cabinet turned out. So in the cabinet that's right next to it, I decided to separate all of my juicing supplies into this cabinet because I do use my juicer probably at least once or twice a week. I have all of the little attachments inside this Dollar Tree bin, and then I also keep my water kettle for coffee down here as well. So this little area right here on the countertop is where I make my coffee, so it is my dedicated coffee station. So right above that, I store all of my extra coffee supplies as well as all of my coffee mugs. In the middle, I have a pitcher and some wine glasses, and then I have my dessert glasses. And then on the top, I have some extra coffee cups that I don't use that often. Once I finished that, I put all of my donations from the kitchen into my car along with everything else. I put all of the glassware kitchen items into this box right here, and I did wrap them in plastic. And let me tell you, it was very satisfying to finally drop off all of the items that I have decluttered so far in this project. So that is it for part 1 of my kitchen decluttering. I will be sharing the rest of the kitchen in the next couple of videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.